In recent time, Group A Commodores seem to be appreciating and are definitely bound to be the classics of the future. This particular model, 1988 VL Group A Walkinshaw, has a mere 8,000 kilometres on the clock. The paintwork, interior, running gear and tyres are pretty much as per new. Car presents like a new car, feels like a new car, and certainly drives like a new car. It's definitely one for the astute investor looking for long-term gain. Lovely, lovely car. Take the time, give us a call and we can show you through.